Now, let's talk bronzers. So remember I introduced you guys to VIEVE this week. And I picked up the shade Deep. It has 2 tones in it. And you all asked me to compare it with Victoria Beckham. So we did swatches. But today you guys wanted to see it on the face. So we're going to compare it on the face. So let me pull them both up for you. So this side is Victoria Beckham Beauty. This is Victoria Beckham. And this one is the VIEVE Bronzer. We're going to use the deepest shades in these two duos. So on this one, I'm going to use the top one. And on this one, I'm going to use the top one. Each on either side of my face. So I'm going to start with this one. And I'm going to start on this side. And I'm going to use the same brush. Let's go Face Pro. How did you know I was about to say Chikuhodo? I think I'm gonna go Face Pro for this part. So we're gonna go right into the deep powder in the VIEVE bronzer. This is the VIEVE Modern Bronze in Deep. Look at the tone of this bronzer, you guys. I just love it. And I'm gonna pull it back, of course, into the forehead area. And just look at the tone. I mean, it's beautiful. I would wear this just like this without blush in a heartbeat. All right, so we have that on that shade, this shade on this side of the face. Now I'm going to take that same brush, and we may build it up. Who knows? We'll see. I'm going to take the same brush, which is Sonia's Face Pro. Right into the Victoria Beckham bronzer and the shade Warm Terracotta, which is this shade here. Totally misunderstood. Going straight into this powder here. Now, those of you who know that this is my #1 bronzer. I love the tone of this one as well. And honestly, hello, Hangan. Thank you for joining. If you're not already part of our community here, please do hit the follow button. We'd love to have you. They are very similar on the face. I can't even tell the difference. I know that I enjoyed the formula of VIEVE is much silkier than Victoria's. I'm going to have to build up Victoria's though, because you guys are saying that VIEVE is richer, and it definitely is. I can tell that by looking here. You can tell the difference. You see the demarcation there? Let me blend that in. Whew. We can't go out like that. I mean, I ain't going nowhere today, but still. All right. So yeah, the VIEVE is richer. You can tell if you... So let's take a look at Victoria Beckham's side. And this is a light application. And VIEVE. So you can definitely tell the VIEVE is richer. Let's build up Victoria. So we're going in with the second layer. And when you build it it looks more similar to the VIEVE. So Victoria has to be built to get to the exact depth of the VIEVE, but they are both equally as beautiful. And I would repurchase them both. Now, one thing I will say though, is that the VIEVE is less expensive than the Victoria Beckham Beauty. The compact is refillable, just like the Victoria Beckham Beauty one is. And what else? The tone is richer. So, richer tone. And this one needs to be built to match VIEVE's depth. So, I'm going to leave the tone as it is. I don't want to do too much. But I think they're both beautiful. So thank you all for requesting that side by side. This side is VIEVE. And this side is Victoria Beckham. And I'm going to proceed with VIEVE to contour the nose just a little bit. I cannot get over the work that this brush did. You guys, this is like, I've only used it once, but I'm telling you, it's a favorite. I'm telling you, the way that it blended that foundation, I cannot wait to download this and clip it for Bobo to use at her leisure. Okay, so let's go into this bronzer. And we're going to contour the nose just a touch. I'm going to use the lighter one though, I think. Let's use the lighter one. And I'm going to go straight down. Even the lighter one is beautiful. Now, VIEVE is going to be a brand that I dig into this coming year. She's one that I've decided I want to adventure into to try more of her products. So I hope you guys are ready for that ride. She just had a sale and I missed it, but I'm still going to look more into the brand. Oh my God, this is stunning. I love the tones that this gives. Whoa, that's beautiful. I imagine her highlighter must be off the chain. I don't even remember if I saw that she had one, but I'm sure she does. I absolutely love it.